So, does anyone know what Yammer is? All right, let's relax for a moment. Does anyone know what Yammer is? I mean, if we're talking about email, this group has all the faculty members with these resources provided by the university. Does anyone know what Yammer is, guys? Let's see, our colleagues are also in the cloud computing section. Dr. Ahmed's forum, Dr. Badris says no. Yammer, you know Facebook and Twitter. Yammer is like Facebook and Twitter. I logged into Facebook and wanted to chat. It's really nice. Facebook is accessible. Facebook and Twitter cause issues, with people spending all day creating problems and scandals. As Dr. Ahmed said, Facebook is for the university. What's the benefit if outsiders can't access it? I can create a Facebook-like platform for my college, accessible only to members. Anything posted on Yammer can only be seen by your college if restricted. Keep it light to avoid slowing the system. Facebook and Twitter are causing a lot of issues, with people spending all day on them, creating big problems, scandals, and stories. Just like Dr. Ahmed said, Facebook is just for the university. So, what's the benefit of it, Doctor? I mean, if someone from outside the university can't access it, what's the beauty of it? We need to see this. I can create a Facebook-like platform just for my college, and no one can access it except the college members. So, anything you post on Yammer, focus with me here. Anything you post on Yammer can only be seen by those in your college if you keep it restricted to your college. I just want to keep this light so the system doesn't slow down, and then we can look into the Yammer topic. We need to see this. I mean, I could create a Facebook-like platform just for my college, and no one would be able to access it except the college members. So anything you post on Yammer, pay attention here, anything you post on Yammer can only be seen by those in your college if you keep it restricted to your college. If you lock it down to your college, then only they can see it. I just want to keep this light so the system doesn't slow down. And then we'll look into the topic of Yammer. How do we look these things? All right, let's take a look at Yammer now. Yammer has few users. Create for college, open to all or just members, like Facebook and Twitter. I can work in my college and allow anyone from outside the university to join and comment freely. I can also restrict it to our college members. I could ask them about meetings, important information, or social events among colleagues, like exams or whatever. I don't know who's in or out. Oh, I opened Yammer. Guys, oh, I opened Yammer. It's just like Facebook and exactly like Twitter. You can post on it and the people with you can share everything. Now let's take a look at Yammer. For me, as Sami, I have to keep in mind the communities I'm part of. I'm part of the university's institutional structure and the community college, which is the applied college. Right now, I created a leadership center for it. You can post. Let's explore Yammer. I must remember my communities. Other communities to discover? Sure. For me, as Sami, I have to keep in mind the communities I'm part of. I'm part of the university's institutional structure. And I'm part of the community college, which is the applied college. Right now, I created a leadership center for it. Are there other communities in the university that I can discover? Sure. You can join it. These are the communities I'm part of as Sami. So, for example, I want to discover from here. So, for example, if you joined the community college, I created a private community for the community college. Any individual, the community college will be able to, anything you post here, for example, I want to tell them about the upcoming meeting of the college council at a time that suits them, like 10, 11, or 12. I can create a poll so everyone in the college can vote instead of doing it on WhatsApp or in a closed community where no one knows about. There's nothing I need to do a poll. WhatsApp. This is very dangerous. All this information can be leaked by any party, but here, not everything can be leaked. No one sees everything. And here, if you're following, you have an inbox. If you want to post something, for example, if you want to share something, if you want to ask about something, if you want to compliment someone, if you want to conduct a survey like the one I just did, you can vote. I wanted you to see the recent conversations in the latest chats. Are there any detailed conversations or questions that haven't been answered? It's honestly amazing, truly amazing. It's truly amazing. These are the communities I'm part of, between the institutional ones and the chairs center. You want to create a community? You can create a community for your college right from here. This is Yammer. In short, this is Yammer in a nutshell. Facebooka. So someone says to me, Dr. Sammy, if you want to present something to a colleague right now, yeah, you just click on the discussion like this and write what you want here. Here it is. And you can, there you go, you can attach things, put a picture, put whatever you want, and then you just publish it right away. So for example, I want to write, peace be upon you. Here it is. It's fine. Peace. I start the tests. Please arrive 15 minutes before the time. They are posted inside my college. They are always updated. They are posted by so-and-so inside my community. I want to engage with people. Some will comment, some will share, some will like. Honestly, it's a safe internal community. And this is a secure cloud-based platform. By the way, you can download Yammer as a regular app on your mobile. It's really easy. I mean, it's just a nice, smooth experience, folks. Really, I don't want to add more than that so we can check out other applications. Is that clear, everyone? Because we have a lot of other applications, honestly. There are many excellent applications. Excellent. Excellent. Let's get started. Let's dive into some applications that can benefit us as faculty members a bit. Cloud applications that benefit us as faculty members. Some of the faculty say to me, Doctor, from what I've learned about e-learning, let me explain to the students. And the students open the device for me. Now focus on what I'm about to say. It's really important, and I'm sure everyone will benefit from it. There are many challenges, and they tell you, Doctor, the biggest issue we have with virtual classes is that the students open the virtual classroom with me, but they're not really with me. They've opened the virtual classroom, but they're not present. Yeah, let's create some activities for them. I'll create some quick activities for them. You tell me, of course, that to create an activity, it will be tiring for me as a faculty member. No, I'll pass you some applications. Applications like that? Great. You can engage the students, get to know the ones with you, and keep them active. And you can also test them online really quickly in just a minute without any hassle. Come on, come on. It's our time, Dr. Sammy. Let's take a look at the first application in application. Let's take a look at the first application. Let's leave aside all this talk and the yes and all that. And come on, let me show you also, I don't want to waste time either. Come on, let me show you something that you'll use. Honestly, you'll use it all the time, whether in the classroom or in the virtual classroom. Come here, the previous oven. This is the previous oven. There's something called Sync.io. Yes. Sync. Yes. I'll send you your link. This is your link, and there's something else too. There's something else that's connected together, which is really nice. When you bring them together, there's something called, what's it called? Yes. This is also great. I'll send them to you too. I'll send you this, if worksheet. I'll send you both of these so you can keep them together. You'll benefit from them. Trust me.